Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. This is Abhishek, your friend but not a financial advisor, and today's video is just a general short update video. And yeah, it's going to be pretty short. So we are going to just review one of our favorite stocks in our Patreon's community as well. And I think that many people are waiting for the big day tomorrow, and I do think that this stock can hit $200 tomorrow. Yeah, regarding if the news is pretty positive, looking at the market sentiment regarding this particular company, yes, I do think that, yeah, it might hit $200 tomorrow. But yes, let's see what happens tomorrow. This is just my personal opinion, and this is not any kind of a financial advice. I'm just being emotional, let's say, in this particular case and particular scenario regarding this particular company. So guys, today I just want to talk briefly on one of our favorite stocks, Cassava Sciences, who is probably going to make history in the Alzheimer's industry. But anyways, it's trading with the ticker symbol SAVA and is one of our favorite stocks in our Patreons family as well, because we discussed this stock when it was just sitting at $25. So that's one of the reasons why it's one of our favorite stocks, and we are holding since then. We booked profits in between, but we are still holding a few of our stocks until now and probably until $200. Yeah, I do think that it can run up to $200 once it gives a positive update tomorrow. So as you can see right here, Cassava Sciences already announced a positive data with SAVA DX from randomized control phase 2b study of Simoflem, and this data came on 26th of this month, and that's also one of the catalysts which was pending. But one of the biggest catalyst is tomorrow, 29th of July, and that's what we are waiting for. So we can see that SAVA DX detected significant changes in plasma levels of altered flamin A in patients with Alzheimer's disease before and after Simoflem treatment. So just to clarify for you guys, Cassava Sciences is working on Alzheimer's disease, only and only working on this disease. And you can see Simoflem 100 milligram and 50 milligram reduced plasma levels of altered flamin A in Alzheimer's patients by 48% and 44% respectively. So this was one of a really good catalyst for Cassava Sciences. But like I said, the big news is due for tomorrow. And this is the news right here. So Cassava announced on July 21st that it would present two clinical datasets in the upcoming Denver Alzheimer's conference. The most important of these two will be on July 29th, 11 a.m. And that's the date and the time which we Cassava Sciences investors are looking forward to. And you can also see the title of this article, Cassava Sciences could be a stock worth $900. Now, I don't really think that Cassava Sciences will just reach $900 after this news, after the positive results, of course, on 29th, which is tomorrow. But I do think that yes, if the news is positive, it can actually touch $200, because Cassava Sciences is on the brink of making medical history. Yes, guys, even after Biogen's controversy of not one of the best drugs in this field, Cassava Sciences is way ahead than Biogen. And just look at the stock price of Biogen, shoot it to $400 when it got FDA approved. And also this article shows that SAVA stock is worth $700 per share, or 5.67 times the present price of $123, actually now $130, so not 5.67 times, using a 15% discount rate. So they actually used a discounted cash flow model. I wouldn't use a discounted cash flow model for this particular company. Now, this is one of the drawbacks of this company. Cassava Sciences has no noticeable revenue whatsoever. So guys, this is a highly speculative play, and that's what I'm doing and my patrons are doing. So Cassava Sciences has no revenue whatsoever. They have, yeah, not actually a official product in the market to get the revenue. So this is purely a speculative play, and that's why it is quite risky. But our risk margins are quite amazing, because we are already more than 100% up, because like I said, we bought at $25, but we sold also and booked some profits. But again, our entry price was around $70 to $75. So yeah, we have an amazing risk margin on this one, and we are not planning to sell this stock anytime soon. And of course, it depends on tomorrow how the news will be, but I'm 99% sure that the news will be in favor of Cassava Sciences. But we still have to see how the market will react. As we can see, the market is actually reacting positive and already, yeah, getting hyped up because of tomorrow's news. So it's already up by 8%, and let's see how the run up will be tomorrow. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to cover this stock shortly and bring up this to your attention to just have an eye on it. Yeah, and look at it. And yeah, if tomorrow is a bad day for Cassava Sciences, I'm not worried, because in long term, once they are on the right path, I'm sure this stock could be worth, yes, $300 $400 easily. It does have a potential considering the Alzheimer's market. So that's all. And yeah, like I said, it was just a short update to bring up this stock to your attention so that you can add this to your watch list, because if there's a massive dip, yeah, that could be a good opportunity for this one. So with that being said, I will see you in the next one, guys.